In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal payments into WooCommerce. We'll walk through this step by step, starting right inside your WordPress admin dashboard. Go ahead and log into your WordPress site. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option labeled Plugins. Hover your mouse over Plugins and a small submenu will appear. From that submenu, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can browse and search for new plugins to add to your site. At the top left of this page, you'll see a search bar. Click inside that search field, type the word PayPal, and then press enter on your keyboard. WordPress will now search the plugin directory and display a list of PayPal-related plugins you can use with WooCommerce. From the search results, look for the plugin called WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Make sure you choose the official plugin that specifically mentions WooCommerce in the name, so you get proper compatibility and support. Once you've located it, click on the plugin to open its information page. Here you can read more details if you'd like, but what we need is on the right side of the screen, where you'll see a button that says Install and Activate. Click that button and then wait a moment while WordPress downloads and installs the plugin for you. When the installation is complete, the plugin will automatically be activated and you'll be redirected back to your main plugins list. On this plugins page, scroll through the list until you find WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Under the plugin name, you'll see a Settings link. Click on Settings to open the configuration page for this plugin. Once you're on the WooCommerce PayPal Payments settings screen, look for a back icon at the top left. Click that icon and it will take you to the main payment settings section in WooCommerce. Here you'll see PayPal listed as one of the available payment methods. On the right side of the PayPal option, there will be a button or link that says Enable or Manage. Click that and then simply follow the on-screen prompts to connect your PayPal account. This usually involves logging into PayPal, granting permission, and confirming your settings. Once you've completed those prompts, PayPal will be successfully integrated into your WooCommerce store and ready for your customers to use at checkout.